Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this RW Garcia sweet potato crackers. So yeah, check it out, it's gluten-free. And let's look at this ingredient panel. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. So it's stone ground yellow corn, sweet potatoes, and white corn, flax seeds, chia seeds, and sea salt. So yeah, pretty clean. Let's do a quick taste test. Let's open this up. I got this at COSTCO, it was on sale. Okay, so this is what they look like. Check that out. So you taste a little bit of that sweet potato, very little. More of the corn taste. You get tortilla taste. There's really no seasoning. Literally, I just had one that was really, like, it's not even salted. It's just no seasoning. It's just bland. Yeah, but it's not bad. They're not super crunchy like rice crackers, but they're more just like a soft, not too soft. I would say the consistency of like maybe Pringles or something like that. Alright guys, if you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.